Good morning, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I have a question to ask first. If you really love something, to be able to listen to your religion and be there for your district assemblies, to go to your kingdom hall, would you do something stupid, hateful, to put yourself in jail, and now you feel spiritual weak that you need to be able to be part of your community, part of Jehovah's spiritual organization? Would you put yourself in an area that all you had to do is never do it? You wouldn't be in jail. So let's see what this Jehovah Witnesses did that put him in jail, and he's trying to have religious rights when his religion should be, when I look at it, their 8 leaders, the governing body, should be in the jail with him. With him. So let's get into this and we'll take it from there.
Rockford, a Winnebago County jail inmate has filed a federal lawsuit against the jail and some jail employees, contending his First Amendment right to practice his religion has been violated. Eric Massenberg, 46, of Rockford filed the lawsuit Tuesday in U.S. District Court in Rockford. He claims that jail officials are denying him the right to receive Jehovah's Witnesses religious materials, such as those published by the Watchtower Bible and Tract Society, and to view similar materials on the tablet computers provided to inmates. Named as defendants are Winnebago County, the Winnebago County Jail, Winnebago County Jail administrators, and nearly a dozen jail staffers. In the lawsuit, Massenberg writes that the jail provides retreats to select religious groups lasting about 3 days. Yet I am unable to simply listen in on conventions held locally 3 times a year, 2 days at a time. He said he could listen to these broadcasts and wouldn't need to leave the jail or stay in a different pod within the jail to do so.
Poor little baby. Poor little baby. You're the one put yourself in this situation, and you have the nerve to make a lawsuit for your religious right?
Massenberg seeks an injunction barring jail administrators from further interfering with the practice of his religion. He has been in jail since February 2016, charged with 8 counts of predatory criminal sexual assault of a child.
Oh my gosh. Remember, this is the religion they announce on JW broadcaster. We protect our children. If Jehovah's Witnesses was really the true religion, why are members raping children, molesting children, assault on children? Could it be their evil Bible? Their fake, lying organization of their Watchtower Wake magazines, their publications, and the subliminal images, which you can Google subliminal Watchtower subliminal images, and see if the things that they have put in books. People, if this was the true religion, what they claim, none of these people, none of them would be in jail for raping children. He has no rights. It's his organization brainwashing probably is what put him in that jail. So my question is, another question, how long did it took before they was able to put this guy in jail? How many judicial meetings they had with this guy and what put him in jail? Since we know elders in some kingdom halls, unless they have a heart, in which some of them don't, they will protect the pedophile. Because under the two-witness rule, you got to have a witness. So somewhere along the line, something was enough evidence to put this jerk in jail, and I wish the governing body members would spend a year in jail for every, actually, way I look at it, for every person that was raped under their rules and regulations, they should spend a year per person who was violated by the members, because under the Watchtower two-witness rule. So let's continue a little bit more.
King and court records show Massenburg wrote that he sent requests and filed grievances, but jail administrators, including the chaplain and former librarian, told me that jail administration will not allow any outside books or periodicals into the jail population. This rule is also found in the inmate handbook.
So good. But they put rules in jail is for a purpose. Now, if this guy was supposed to follow the rules of the Watchtower, he wouldn't put himself in jail. He wouldn't be in jail. It doesn't say if this guy was an elder or a minister servant or just a regular Jehovah Witness. It's the purpose. We're supposed to have love among our brothers and sisters. Where do you get love and raping a person or a child for your religion? Was he raping for Jehovah? Was he raping this child for the organization or the governing body? He had to do it for some of these people in the faith God Jehovah. Otherwise, he wouldn't be worried about it, because he wants to see his conventions. He wants to be able to hear his talks through the Kingdom Hall. People, you have to realize why we do these videos. Why we try to make people to understand what we know. This is the reason why we got out of this false religion. Some people heard of pedophiles. Even the person, when I moved to another state, another person told this Jehovah Witness woman, there's a pedophile in your religion. Because he went there, he saw the guy. She said, how do you know? He said, because he has to register every year. And he knew this guy. And that that broke, you could say, broke the camel's back. Because she couldn't believe she saw this man was a pedophile and hardly no one even known this man was in the Kingdom Hall? He should have been in jail. He should have been in jail. Well, maybe he was in jail, but when he got out, they had to do it, register him. Either way you look at it, he shouldn't be near children. How many families knew that he was a pedophile? Interesting. So people, please wake up and realize when people knock on your door saying they're working for the Watchtower, they are the only true religion, they're out to destroy your lives and your family lives. You don't want that. So thank you very much for stopping by, and y'all keep up with the good fight of learning why you cannot trust some of these false religions and they are a dangerous cult. Thank you very much. Y'all have a wonderful day.